Hey Chad, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to do a brief SEO or search engine optimization audit, just kind of show you a few things you could start doing to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with a lot of companies here in Florida, and I just wanted to reach out and show you some things, tools, tips, and tricks that you could do yourself for free to help bring your website up a little bit, and then just kind of tell you a little bit about what we do and see if you're interested. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So looking at your site here, the first thing we want to look at, I like the way it looks, but this is for SEO, not design. I want to see just how much content you have, because that's what our first thing we look at is, and it's pretty important. So the reason we look at content first is twofold. One is Google actually looks for a minimum of 1,500 words on a homepage to be compatible with their algorithms. Secondly, it allows for more keywords. Now, I use a tool called SEO Quick, we can see here, and it shows me kind of the oversight of your website, and I can see you have 496 words. So you're about 1,000 words shy. So just something as simple as adding content to that homepage is going to help you rank up a few spots in Google. Now, like I said, the second thing we really want to look at is your keywords. Now, what exactly is a keyword? Well, a keyword is anything that's plugged into this right here. So this full sentence, garage door repair, Tamarack, Florida, is actually one keyword. Now, you can be found for hundreds, thousands of these things, and the more the merrier, as long as it's applicable to what your business is found for. But it's how you can get pulled up for anything someone's searching for. So, as I did this, we can see your top competitor is PrecisionDoor.net or Precision Garage. Precision Garage, I know they're a pretty big brand, so I just went with another one, Broten, right here, garage door sales. And we can see they have a nice website as well, but like I said, this isn't about design. So what I wanted to look at is how many keywords they're being found for. So they're being found for 5.4 thousand keywords. That is a ton. And just looking over briefly what they're being found for, we can see that it is a lot of different things. They've got broken garage door, obviously, but hurricane-proof garage doors, beeping garage door opener, garage impact doors, Fort Lauderdale, garage door repair, Boca Raton, thousands, right? But what I want to draw your attention to on this page is actually two things. One is the volume. So we can see 709, 250, 1,000. That's how many times these exact things are searched for a month. Secondly, their position in Google. They're number one, number one, number one, number four, number one, number one. That is crazy. And why that's important is because the click rate Google releases shows that actually 80% of people won't scroll past the first page when they're looking for something for their home service. So if you're on that second page, you're not going to see any of that volume hardly. Now, the third thing, how do you get to the top of that page? Well, that's where the SEO comes in. Now, this is your website, and what we want to look at is your backlinks. You currently have 349 backlinks with 96 referring domains. Now, backlinks are basically a link from one website to another website. Now, why this is important is this is what Google holds the most weight on, is your domain rating. And how you get that is best backlinks. Now, that means not only the more backlinks, but really the higher quality, getting them from websites relevant to your business that are also powerful, because they transfer the power. So if site A is pointing to site B, then site B gets that power from site A, and that will ultimately raise your domain rating. It's basically like a big popularity contest, but Google cares the most about this. Now, if we look back at your competitor here, we can see that they have 3.8 thousand backlinks with a 37 DR. And again, you have a 349 with a 4.7. So the more you invest into this, which is a tax deductible item since it's digital marketing, the more you invest in this area is the more traffic, which is very important, right? The more traffic, the more potential sales. So we see you're getting 236, which is pretty good views a month, but they're getting 4,000. So just imagine 10% of that. I mean, if you were getting 400 extra traffic a month, extra clicks, and you converted those, just imagine the sales. Now, in closing, we discussed three things in this quick SEO audit: content and having 1,500 more words on that homepage. Secondly, keywords and how critical they are to getting that volume. Third and most important, we talked about how you can get to the top of Google and what you need to do. Now, if you implement these strategies, there's no doubt that you can start climbing in Google. But if you want to get to that first page, getting those 80% of clicks, and then you want to stay up there, then give me a call at 813-515-3488, and we can talk more in depth about what you need to do. Again, my name is Craig, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.